In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card on mobile. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Google Chrome on your device. And in here, go ahead and search for roblox.com, and this will redirect you to the roblox.com website, which is the official website of Roblox. Now in here, go ahead and sign in to your account using your credentials. So just go ahead and enter your email and password in this section. After that, go ahead and hit on the login button to log into your Roblox account. Now go ahead and click on the continue to website, and in this section you'll be able to get redirected into your homepage on Roblox. So in here, just go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen represented by this Roblox icon. Click on redeem Roblox codes, and this will redirect you into the section where you'll be able to enter the Roblox code that you've received as a gift card, virtual item, or promo code that you've found online. Make sure to check the check box after the text field to be able to redeem your Roblox code. And that is how you can simply redeem Roblox code on mobile. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.